Happy Friday. So today we are working on something not so fun. We're changing the rotor on our turbo mill. As most of you already know, we always like to have the first of something and to really test it out and try it out before offering it to our customers. So this is one of those cases where we got put in place a turbo mill, and it was the first of this size and this model, and we ran it for 6 years and multiple shifts. So we really use this thing. So anyways, it didn't have the it didn't have some outer wear plates that we have on the new turbo mills. So let me show you what that looks like. So the new one has these flinger bars, and it has a spare or an additional AR plate on the outside. This is the original one. So you can see it got paper thin here with time, and because of it getting paper thin, we actually knew this a while ago that it was on its last leg. We actually lost the blade at one point. We welded it back in just to hold us over, and I was trying not to use that until I really had to, but last night as we were running, one blade fell out, and then domino effect, it just took out the rest of them because they were already very weak. You can see here over time it just wears in. So but as you go through the mill, you can see it gets thicker and thicker, and then the back plate is intact. So but the new design, or new ones, like I said, this is over 6 years old. New one has this plate, this changeable plate. It just bolted through, and then it has the flingers on it. So I said not fun, because who wants to take a machine apart when you could be producing copper? So we started taking it apart last night and got it out, and now we have the new rotor we're dropping in. If you haven't seen the new style mills that we have, those are going to be a lot easier because the whole top just opens up and you can pop this out. This style here, it goes through the side, so I'll try and get some footage of that and include that in here. The rotor actually goes into the side of the turbo mill. So while we're at it, we're going to be changing some of these wear plates here on the inside, and then the rotor will go right through here. So like I said, this is one of the original ones of this size, of this model. So let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if there's any additional videos that you guys would like to see, additional content and stuff like that. So catch you in the next one. Happy Friday.